How do you build a successful business online? Let me tell you, here is the key. I have made 7 grand from June 8th to the 11th, 3 days, and I've made $7,000. Why? Because I spend every single minute of my life with my clients. I show them the way. I hold their hand. I don't leave them stranded. I don't abandon my clients. And when you give somebody something that works, they'll buy anything that you have. I mean, literally anything, because they don't buy the product, they buy you. So always remember this key factor. It's you building a business by sharing your help with these people and showing them how to do it successfully so that they're not on their own. Because once a person is on their own in the business, that is an incentive for them to quit, for them to give up. I am up my clients' asses every single minute. The moment I see them start lagging, I bring them right back. And it takes a strong mindset to do that. It really freaking does. So just remember, the key to building a successful business is to be there with your clients, walk them through, hold their hand, guide them, give them the support that they need, and they will never leave your side. That is loyal clients. Guys, loyal clients will never leave your side. Don't be like some of these other people who bring somebody into a program just to sell them something. People don't buy the product, they buy you. Remember that. That's a key factor. $1 million secret right there. If you guys want to learn how to build a business, a 2-hour workday on autopilot where the business runs for you and you're not a slave to your business, because I see this happening so much, comment "I'm ready" down below and I'll share my strategies with you. Talk soon.